Want to use Instagram close friend list in a right way? Then you're on the right video. In this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can use close friend list on Instagram. So the very first thing you wanna do is head over to your application Instagram, into your login credentials, and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in the profile, click on the three line at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, you need to scroll down and in the section of who can see your content, move into close friends. From here, you can choose the people that you want to add in your close friends. You can just add the closest people that you want to. In order to add, simply click on the circle icon. Once done, click on Done at the bottom of the screen. Once you have made the close friend list, now whenever you put any of the story, you can choose to only post within your close friends. So right over here, you can see the close friend list. If you upload within the close friend list, then only specific people that you have added in your close friend list will be able to view your story, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.